quick as possible away so that you mitigate the risk of losses. But usually it's difficult. And especially in seasons where there is peak production of vegetables, the prices significantly drop. So with this technology, there is no rush to sell because of the fear of products getting spoiled. The shelf life is extended because you can keep vegetables 6 months, 1 year until that conducive price is there. Like recently, there was too much fruits, oranges, too much mangoes, to the extent that what you would sell maybe could be like 100 or 200 shillings in a unit. But when with EcoFrost technology, you release it systematically at your own price, you know, because right now there are no mangoes there in northern Uganda anymore. But just 1 month ago was too much, you know. So this will bring in stabilizing prices for the farmers through extended shelf life of products. And I think we have hope northern Uganda can also now join the export value chain, because EcoZen can be deployed anywhere, at the farm gate, yeah, at the market. So if we are relying with coal transportation, then we can take whatever. The same with fishing sector.
Farmers is spending around $200 to $300 every month in the form of electricity units or in the form of diesel. And then also they face post-harvesting loss because they don't have this unit in the farmland. They have this unit at the collection center. So when they plug it from the tree, any of the produce, from the farmland to a center, a collection center, they take almost around 1 or 2 days. During this gap, during these 2 days, the produce start damaging. They already face that issue. So they are facing loss. They are facing loss toward produce. They are giving electricity cost. They are giving a diesel cost. So irrespective of that, this will be a very efficient, almost around within 2 years, they can get their ROI, and the rest of the years will be free.
I'm not yet finalized on the issue of costing, because we are also discussing with other institutions that might provide rebates for access to farmers, maybe in terms of reserve-based financing. So at the moment, until we finalize this discussion, which by the time we are launching this technology, because next month, which again we invite you back, from 25th to 27th, there's going to be Solar Expo 2024. And in that Solar Expo, we launch the EcoZen technology with all the price and any concessions in terms of financing agreed by the partners.
Costing greater power, there should be something which stores that power. So everybody is using lithium-ion battery, we are using ice core technology. Water plates, during a daytime, when solar panel is working, it got freezed. During a night, when there is no sunlight, and when solar panel is not working, these freeze ice melts gradually so that they maintain a temperature. And these give a power backup of more than 36 hours in a one go. So this is our product. And now we want this product in Uganda. Now from the first, a quick presentation. We are